Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a visual recipe card for food blogging in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And the next thing I'm going to show you how to start creating your design in Canva. There are two ways to go about that. First way is to create a design from scratch. And how to go about that, go ahead and click on create a design button right here at the top corner of your screen, top right corner precisely. And then the next thing or the next way is to head over to the search bar, and in the search bar describe the kind of design that you want. And once you do that, it's going to take you to a world of amazing creative templates that you can choose from to facilitate your creative design processes. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's tags. In the search bar, all we need to do is to type visual recipe card for food blogging. Ta-da! Welcome to a world of templates. But to bust your bubbles, not all the designs are free to access if you do not upgrade your plan. So you see that most of the designs are labeled pro, meaning you have to upgrade your plan, but then some of the designs do not have that pro thing on them, and you can definitely find a design that is free and sweet. So the ones without the pro are free, and something can be sweet too. So an interactive or a visual recipe card for food blogging. So let's find something that is all the sweet designs I'm just saying right here. They're not free. This is nice. This is nice. So click on that and click on customize this template. Simple and really nice. So head over to this bottom corner and then move the slider forward to zoom in so you can see what exactly you're editing. So I'm just going to show you how to run through this. So let's say this creamy pasta and you want to change the wordings. So click on that, double click, and it changes. So once you double click, you can now change it to what you want. I'm just maintaining the pasta because I don't want to change my wordings, but that's how to change your wordings. Head over here and you can change your wordings. Maybe here you can make this condiments. Okay. So here you can make it condiments, all right? And here in the condiments, you can now double click and change all of these to what you want. So that's how to change the text. Another thing I'm going to have to show you in the text is click on the text. Now you can change the text size. All right, click on here to change the text size, or click on here to change the font itself. So change the font here if you want, and here you can change the font size. Click here to decrease font size and click here to increase, and then you can also click on that and explore all of those options. You can bolden this and make it bold. You can italicize it and just play with it. So now that that is bold, for visual appeal, this has to be bold as well. So now to change pictures, so these are elements, all right? So I'm going to ungroup so that you can change each of these elements. If you want to change this cutlery, you can head over to the left and click on elements, and then you can type on so these are cutleries. So you can click on see all to see all the cutleries that are free. So remember, stay away from the ones that are pro. and use the one that's free. So you can even drag these, or let's say just click on that, and as you can see, this is here. So I can delete that and no, head over to discovery, then click on the end to make it smaller. And I'm just going to drag and make it really small and still small until I get my desired small. So I can now move it. So what is my hand clicking on? So my hand, one finger is on the mouse pad and one finger is on the left button of the mouse. So you can even change this clock, all right? You can even drag, move it to whatever you want. Just click on elements, click on clock to change that, and you're good to go. So that's it. So to change a picture now, this is a picture. Click on here, upload. You can even click on elements, all right? And let's see, type on creamy pasta. So here are all the options for creamy pasta. You can head over to photos to get something real, just like it is right here. And okay, this is this one that is not, that's free. And just drag and drop. So I'm drag and drop says I'm not working today. So just fill it in. All right. You see that changes. This is another one. If you want to change it to, just show you how to change the picture shortly. All of these are not free. So if you want to upload your own picture, then click on upload and click on upload file. You can download any picture and then click on upload file. Once you click on upload file, select it from the systems folder. It's going to be here. It's going to appear here. So all you need to do is to just click and then fill it in. But I don't want that because, so go back. So this is just going to be here. All right, if you want to change the background color, you can click on the background and click here and change it. So if this is fine, then that suits you. So I'm heading over to the slide and taking it backward to see what it looks like. I think that's okay. So go ahead and click on share. Once you click on share, click on download, choose a download setting, and you'll be good to go. And go over the start from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you're all good. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.